Hey beauties, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for that flawless, effortless, clean girl makeup look that's taking over the world. That look that makes people go, is she naturally that gorgeous? So let's dive into it. Grab your brushes and your makeup products and your coffee or matcha tea if you want to go fancy, and let's make some makeup magic happen. Hydration is key, and for that I've applied my moisturizer. This is from CeraVe. This is for normal to dry skin. So I've applied that off camera because I do not want this video to be way too long for you guys. And after that, I throw in a few drops of virgin marula oil from Drunk Elephant because my skin is way too dry in winter. So I did these two steps, but if you really want to know all the good things about these products, then let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to tell you all about my skincare products and how I keep my skin looking great. I'm going in with this pore minimizing primer, and this is from Makeup Forever. I'm not into primers. I can see my pores are getting bigger and so I thought I should buy one pore minimizing primer, if that makes sense. Just a little because you never know. Just here and my nose and my forehead, and that should be good enough. Finally, it's the time that we can start applying our foundation. Clean girl vibes call for a skin tint or lightweight foundation, but in today's look I'm just gonna apply this tinted SPF because I will be applying concealer after this, so I'm not going to use any foundation. It can be crazy when you use your hands, but that's okay. I'm gonna use my hands. Okay, so far everything is okay, so my makeup can start peeling, but so far it's okay. We are doing okay. Do you guys see the color? I love this color. Okay, so it didn't peel. Okay. I feel so good when I apply this BB cream because I know that my skin cannot look cakey if I use this BB cream. And it has to be Dr. Jart's BB cream. Next up is concealer, and for concealer I'm using NARS concealer, and this is again one of my favorite products. I love NARS products and especially their concealers, and the name is Night Swan. Okay, we're just gonna apply little. We have to make sure that we're not applying it all over our face. Not every inch of our face. I'm just gonna apply under my eyes, and that's it. That's it, you guys. We want to make sure that we are going to keep it as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. What I do is I take some on my finger and I warm it up on my palm like so, and then I'm gonna apply it under my eyes like that. And obviously we're gonna make sure that we're blending it seamlessly. Funny thing is that I don't use my finger for concealer. I don't know why. For this video I literally used my fingers and it worked perfectly fine. I always use my beauty blender for concealer, but I used my fingers today, so that's okay. Okay guys, next up is brows, and for brows I use any eyeshadow palette, and I go for the darkest color in that eyeshadow palette. So today I'm using Tarte eyeshadow palette. Such a cute eyeshadow palette. It's old. I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, you can still buy it on Sephora. Yeah, you can still buy it. Yeah, that is Smoke Show right here on top. And the brush that I'm gonna use for my brows, E65 Small Angle Sigma. You just want to make sure that we fill in all the sparse spots. And once I'm done with this step, I'm gonna extend my brows quite far inward because My eyes are far apart, like they're sisters from different villages or different neighborhoods. So I extend it like this. And yeah. And I'm going to extend my brows from the outer end too. Okay. So I literally use this same brush every single time. I use it to clean my brows. I use it to clean my wing or my eyeshadow. I use it to clean my lipstick. You're not gonna believe that. And love this brush. It's F70 Concealer Sigma brush. So I'm just gonna apply teeny tiny amount of concealer just to clean my brows, and super easy and quick. Can you guys see it? I'm gonna do the other brow off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back and my brows are done, and the last step for this brow is going to be, now I'm gonna use this brow gel to hold everything in place, and for that obviously I'm gonna use 24 brow setter from Benefit, because this is the best product if you want to use brow gel. If you want to use clear brow gel, if you want tinted brow gel, then obviously it's not the best, but to me it's the best because I always use clear brow gel. And here we go. And this is my favorite part too, because this is the step that's going to make your brow look natural, naturally bushy. You're gonna get that shape back, and it's gonna define the shape of your brow. So that's what you get with this. Okay, now we are done with our brows, and I just want to take one sip of my coffee. Alrighty, you guys, our brows are done, and next up is contouring. Here's the thing, if you guys want to keep it as natural as possible, then obviously you can skip this part, but because my face is rounded and chubby and I do not have that jawline that can cut a glass, I'm gonna go and contour my face, and obviously I want to bring some color back to my face with this contour shade. So if you guys do contour your face, even if you're going for that natural look, then keep watching and do not skip this part because I'm gonna show you all the products I use to contour my face and still keep it natural. So I'm gonna use Sephora contour in this color, and I'm sorry you guys, but I peeled this off, so I do not have a number or name of this contour, but you can obviously buy it online or Sephora. And I always mix it with my bronzer, and this is from House Labs, and this is the shade, and the number is medium level 7. So why do I use these two products together? Because okay, I like this product because this one has a natural shadow hue. That's why I use it, because I love the color, I love the pigment. And then I mix this one with this contour because I love that red undertone of this product, and it's gonna bring that natural, you know, golden color back to my face. It's gonna, and the brush that I'm gonna use is by Mario, this brush right here, and the number is F1. So when I apply these two products together, I always dab it on my palm like so. And I'm gonna apply it with a light hand because we are going for that natural look and we are not going for that full coverage or glam look. So we just want to keep it natural and sun-kissed and tanned. We are not going for that definition, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna do this because when we apply full coverage foundation, all our shadows are gone and we have to bring it back. But now we have only applied tinted SPF and we can still see our shadows and, you know, our real skin under this tinted SPF. We do not have to go crazy with this contouring, so we're just gonna keep it natural. And yeah, And since this tinted SPF is a little bit darker than my natural face color, I still like to contour my face because why not? So I always bring it down to my neck. That's the trick. To make your face look brighter, you have to extend it down to your neck. Apply it with a light hand to keep it natural looking. To keep your contouring looking natural, you want to make sure that you blend everything seamlessly before you move on to your blush or your eyeshadow. So, because you can see all the harsh lines and you can obviously tell that you contoured your face. Okay, you guys, next up is eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, I'm using NARS eyeshadow palette. Such a cute packaging. I love this eyeshadow palette, and the colors are even cuter because I love these colors. But since I have to remind you guys and I have to remind myself that we are not going for that glam look, so we're gonna stick to one shade today because we want to keep it simple. We just want to bring that color back to our eyes and just a little bit of depth and make our eyes look bigger, but at the same time we do not want it to look crazy and that bougie look. We are not going for that. So the brush that I'm gonna use for my eyes today is Pro Crease 19 Sephora brush, and the shade that I'm gonna use is this guy right here. I'm gonna grab this color and put it on my lid. So we're just gonna use one shade today, and you want to make sure that you blend it seamlessly. These back and forth motion, just want to make sure that I cover all my lid. And if you want your eyes to look longer, you should definitely bring it till here, and that's it. And for mascara, we're gonna use Clinique High Impact Hi-Fi Full Volume Mascara. We're gonna go with this. Just gonna apply my mascara. Just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I have so many mascaras and I always come back to this one. I don't know why. There is something about this mascara. It makes my lashes look so much bigger and fluffier for some reason. Like there are some fibers in this mascara and it sticks onto your lashes and it makes your lashes look bigger and fluffier, and definitely this one has hi-fi, some kind of volume magic. I'm done with mascara and now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now for the final step, I'm gonna make my eyes look longer without doing too much, like a liquid eyeliner. That would be too much. So I'm just gonna take a dark shade and make a subtle wing with this brush right here, and this is E65 Small Angle Sigma brush. I'm gonna use this brush and make a subtle wing and also apply a little in the inner corner too. And now I'm gonna define the shape of this wing. So for that, I'm gonna use the same brush that I use for my brows, and it's F70 Concealer Sigma. And just, just give it a nice shape, and you're good to go. There we go. Alrighty guys, we are done with our eyes, and next up is blush, and that is my personal fave. We are going for a cream blush today for this look because we want to keep it natural, you know, rosy and cute looking, because we don't want it to look cakey and anything like that. So we are not going for any powder blush. We are going to use this cream blush right here, Rare Beauty. Such a pretty color, and the color name is Lucky. Lucky blush. Cute color. I love this color so much, and this blush is perfect for this look. So again, I'm gonna do the same trick. I always apply everything on my palm first, and then I apply it on my face. So we are going to warm it up on our palm, and here we go. Okay, I'm gonna do this and apply it on my face. Oh my god, it's too much, but we're gonna blend it. Keep blending it. For that, I'm gonna use my beauty blender and blend it seamlessly into my skin. Keep doing it until your blush is blinding. So cute! Okay, I'm done with my blush. That was my favorite part, and it's blinding, so I'm happy. I'm so happy. So happy. Looks good. Last step. Last but not least is going to be my lips. I'm gonna do something simple. It's natural and dewy look, so I wanna do something, you know, juicy and dewy and plumpy. I want to use my lip gloss, but where is it? Let me get my lip gloss. I am back with my lip gloss, and these are my two favorite lip glosses. So this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is obviously my favorite because I also like the fragrance, like the smell of this lip gloss, and it literally smells like caramel, and the name is Toffee Rose. And the other one is this from Dior. I like it too, but it's just, it smells good too. I don't know. I like the other one better. So cute. Look at this. Look at the tint. Look at the color. And it smells amazing. Okay, you guys, there you have it. My clean girl makeup look that makes you look effortlessly put together and perfect for everyday brunch with the girls, or just pretending you are a runway model at the grocery store. And if you love this look, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and join the fam, and drop a comment below what's your favorite part of the clean girl look. And if you are rocking it, that's amazing, that's awesome. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.